on this chase. Goons nipping at my heels, move my wheels, cause I'm not trying to get killed. Ooh, what I'm gonna do? Me and the crew, one false move, we through. Stress level high, it's full court press. Can't guess wrong, the result is death. Adrenaline filled like a kid needing Ritalin. Gotta get away from this bullshit middleman. Push to the max, no time to relax. Cause if we ain't swift, we facing the axe. But I ain't trying to hear it, float like a spirit. Finish line coming, I feel it's getting near it. Can't stop now, yo, we almost there. Unaware of what awaits us in the air. Safe on the back of the truck, now we ride through the streets, talk about good luck. Man, that was tough, jumping off the building, but if we didn't do it, then our time was up. Never that though, I'm just too swift, blessed with a gift that flows from my lips. Still represent, still talking that shit, still hit your chest like the blast from the fifth. Ain't no stopping, I'ma keep it popping, rolling and rocking, pure hip hopping, soul like rocking. You know I got plenty, I'm a C-note dog, and you more like a penny. Jeff sent the text, asked for the best, so I stepped right in, put flames to the test. Burn it down from dusk till dawn, rise from the ash, and then I'm gone.